Myself Pratik Panchal. I am assistant professor at electrical department.
My name is Yogesh Costa and I am director of all the research centers of Charusat University.
This is Dr. Jaimin Undavia, Associate Professor of Srimati Chandaben Mohanbhai Patel Institute of Computer Applications. Apart from that, I am coordinator of Charusat Startup and Innovation Center.
And I am Dr. Dvitna Garg. I am serving as the head of the department in computer engineering at Devang Patel Institute of Advanced Technology and Research.
My name is Jai Patel and I am an assistant professor at DEPSTA C.
My name is Pranjal Bhatt and I am an assistant professor at Faculty of Humanities over here at IIIM.
This is Dr. Dhara Patel from Bapubhai Desai Bhai Patel Institute of Paramedical Sciences.
My name is Ms. Celine Davla and I am from the Indukaka Ipkowala Institute of Management, Faculty of Humanities.
હું ડૉક્ટર પ્રમોદ પટેલ લાઇબ્રેરિયન ચારુસેટ યુનિવર્સિટી ચાંગા.
मेरा नाम शिप्रा है, ARIP डिपार्टमेंट फिजियोथेरेपी डिपार्टमेंट चारूसत को बिलोंग करती हूँ.
મારું નામ વિમલ વિઠ્ઠલભાઈ પટેલ, બરાબર, ચારુસેટમાં એડમિન ડિપાર્ટમેન્ટમાં કામ કરું છું એટેન્ડન્ટ તરીકે.
મારું નામ છે સંદીપ પટેલ, હું ડિપાર્ટમેન્ટ લાઇબ્રેરીમાં નોકરી કરું છું.
મારું નામ રિયા સુથાર છે, સ્ટુડન્ટ સેક્શનમાં અત્યારે વર્ક કરું છું.
इतनी फास्ट लाइफ में वर्क और लाइफ के बीच में बैलेंस बनाना आजकल इतना इम्पोर्टेंट हो गया है और लोग उस चीज़ को नज़रअंदाज कर रहे हैं.
We are talking about the work-life balance in the Charusat University. For me, especially, this is the place where I have an equal opportunity to become a growth for my side and for the growth of personally also. We have the lot of freedom for the research. We have a good research environment. We have a good facility. Supportive management system is here. We have a lot of other advantages, like we have the good career advancement scheme. We have a lots of leave facilities, like we have the vacation leave, and I think this is the first place where we introduce in a Gujarat where we have the vacation leave.
Basically, I believe that to achieve this work-life balance is ultimately for the growth of an individual in terms of emotional, physical and mental health. Charusat offers us various opportunity to manage your work life and your physical health, your mental health and your social well-being as well.
At Charusat, we also teach you how to be able to manage the work-life balance. So what we do is we try to see that instruments and devices such as meditation, sports, health education, these things are taken care at the time of learning and education. So the classrooms, laboratories and this whole green environment which is there, it is here to bust your stresses so that you can strike a balance between your professional life, professional education and your professional career. So they are kind of trained to this so that they'll be in a position to balance their work life with the normal personal life and the social life which they live.
Along with the work-life balance, I have been also successful, rather I would say, in maintaining it with my personal as well as professional career. So given a chance of flexi timings, at least we are mentally a bit relaxed कि हाँ भाई अभी 2 मिनट से 3 मिनट भी हो जाएंगे. So I'm mentally relaxed and obviously we adhere to the discipline that is there. If the lecture starts at 9-10 a.m. in morning, we are there prior our scheduled lectures. But yes, with the help of flexi timings, even after office hours, we are able to dedicate ourselves to the family as well as to the institute.
काम से निकल कर वापस काम को जाते हैं, ये हमारी दिनचर्या होती है. पर इसमें चारूसत जो हमारी मदद करता है यही है कि हम 9 to 5 इतने अच्छे से काम करते हैं कि घर जाके हम अपने फैमिली को भी टाइम दे पाते हैं, अपनी खुद की लाइफ को भी जी पाते हैं, बिकॉज हमारे पास आफ्टर 5 o'clock इनफ टाइम होता है अपने लिए जीने के लिए.
Talking about the work life at Charusat, the first thing and the major which every employee enjoy is the flexi timing, where the employee need to pass their 7.5 hours in their institute with respect to their timings and academic. The second thing which I would like to highlight is the co-curricular activity, which is the faculty development program as well as outbound training.
I being a working woman, it is difficult for us to, especially maintain the office hours of our family members as well as ourselves. So the timing over here, the 7.5 hours that we are allotted is set as perfectly well, wherein we can have early morning for ourselves as well as the late evenings with our family members.
We have 4 pillars here, that is honesty, integrity, transparency and humanitarian touch. This all makes my work life as well as my personal life very balanceful.
The best thing I like about this university that it allows me to add on my creativity to my profession, because we are not being at the university only for our professional work, but apart from that we are also having the joy of attending various workshops. So yes, we have workshops for students as well as faculties.
તો ચારુસેટ એ વસુદેવ કુટુંબકમ એક આ વસુદેવનું કુટુંબ છે જે મને મારા ઘર જેવી જ ફિલિંગ ચારુસેટમાં પણ આવે છે. હું 24/7 365 ચારુસેટમાં સ્પેર કરું તો પણ મને એક પણ દિવસ સ્ટ્રેસ જેવું નથી લાગ્યું કે આ મારા ઘરે હું કામ કરું છું કે ચારુસેટમાં કામ કરું છું. તો મારા માટે આ એક કુટુંબની જ ભાવના અને ફેમિલી એન્વાયરમેન્ટથી જ હું ચારુસેટમાં રાઉન્ડ ધી ક્લોક કામ કરી રહ્યો છું. અહીંયા બોસ તરીકે નહીં પણ પોતાના એક ફેમિલી મેમ્બર તરીકે ટ્રીટ કરે છે.
ફેમિલી જેવું જ લાગે છે કે ઘરે કામ કરું છું અને કોલેજમાં 8 કલાક કામ કરું છું. ચાલુ જોબે કંઈ પર્સનલ વર્ક આવી ગયું હોય કામ એવું તો રજા મંજૂરી લઈ ચારુસેટમાં વડા મંજૂરી આપે જવા દે છે.
ઇમરજન્સી પણ કોમ આવ્યું અમારે તો પણ અમારે કોમ થઈ જાય છે. અમારે ઘરનું બી સાચવું છું અને કોલેજનું બી સાચવું છું. અમારી હોસ્પિટલ છે ચારુસેટ. અમે કોઈ બીમાર થાય તો અમે એમાં જઈએ છીએ, અમને બી લાભ મળે છે.
This makes Charuset a really peaceful environment for me to work and be happy.
So university has given me a good journey, be it as a mother, be it as a staff member.
સો અહીંયાનું આટલું સારું પોઝિટિવ વર્ક કલ્ચર હોવાના લીધે હું મારી પર્સનલ લાઈફ અને વર્ક લાઈફ બંને બહુ સારી રીતે બેલેન્સ કરી શકું છું.
So yes, for me personally, Charuset really adds on to all the flavors of my life.
Thanks to Charuset for all these reasons.